Traffic commissioners are losing patience. Here is why.
A license is granted on trust. When that trust is broken, the consequences are severe.
Hampshire Group Southern Left, license revoked. Director disqualified for 2 years. The company failed to respond to regulatory correspondence. Key questions went unanswered.
The Commissioner said, "I have absolutely no confidence or trust that this operator will comply." A 38-year-old truck, 6 MOT failures, a 208-day gap between PMI inspections. The director spent 4 months in India. He left a driver to run the entire operation. The Traffic Commissioner found Mr. Singh was unfit to hold a license. He came as close as an operator can come to disqualification. The MOT history was described as appalling. Road safety had been put at real risk for a long time.
Scorpion Engineering, 12 prohibitions, 5 fixed penalties, 7 vehicles, 5 years.
The Commissioner called the compliance record truly dreadful.
The director was found to have acted recklessly, deliberately, and knowingly.
The Commissioner said, "I find emphatically that I cannot trust this operator."
Mazda Coaches, license revoked. Transport manager disqualified for 10 years. The lessons are clear. Comply, cooperate, communicate. The Traffic Commissioner does not accept excuses.
Learn public inquiry preparation at Transport Conference 2026, 23rd September in Birmingham. Book your place.